Hello, I'm going to present to you a trilingual false cognate. It's spelled the same way. False cognate means in Spanish cognado falso, and we may think it's the same meaning, but it has a different meaning. For example, in English and in Spanish it's spelled exactly the same, and it has different meanings. In English they pronounce it in British English pestle, or in American English pastel, and in Spanish and in Russian it's pronounced almost the same, and the meanings also absolutely different. In Spanish we pronounce pastel, pastel, pastel in Espanol. In Russian we pronounce pastel, pastel, pastel. Pastel is the bed, a bed, or la cama in Spanish, the meaning, as you see here in the picture. In Russian language, the meaning of pastel is the bed, la cama. In Spanish language, pastel is a cake, a piece of cake or a pie. And you see how very interesting. In English and in Spanish we spell the same, we pronounce different according to the rules of English to the rules of Spanish, but because Spanish and Russian pronunciation are very close to each other, rather close, pretty close, that's why in Spanish and in Russian it's pronounced almost the same. Only in Russian we write it, of course, with Cyrillic, with Russian alphabet. Thank you very much. It was a trilingual false cognate with Zoya Sprausser. Bye.